Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you a product review on Yeastar, and I'm working for the Yeastar. I think it's near to 3-4 years, and I have checked the product. The product is so good and stable product and easy to configure the whole settings. Even they have a support system also in the Yeastar. So let me show you the FXO gateway. So I have the FXO gateway, how to configure it. So what is the FXO gateway? First a little bit I'm going to elaborate the things. So whatever the POTS line is coming from your there is a BSNL, Airtel, Reliance. I think Reliance is also given. I'm not sure, but at least Airtel BSNL is there for the POTS line. So what they are going in there is a RJ11, basically it's come from the provider end, and you have to put in your analog phone or something. But if you need the combination with the Ip-Pbx, and how to configure that one, because in analog system obviously they don't have any recording or the IVR system or anything, so you have to take the calls from anyone can calls from the outside. It will be hit to your by Ip-Pbx and call redirect to as per your queue or IVR or anything. So let me go through this. So here is my Yeastar gateway. It's showing VoIP analog gateway is here. So let me show you the status first. So you can check there is a 2 line is there and it's up and idle. That's mean line is okay, there is no issue. And here is the network status and the system information is also there. What is the version of your firmware or anything you can check, and this is the model number. It's a 4-port FXO gateway. Now I'm just going to how to set up the whole things. So here is the LAN service. Even there is a SSH login also there. You can check the calls via asterisk. Here is the security. You can put the security here also. So check the SIP UDP port is there. You can change it also. Here is the password settings and the email settings is also there. So let me go to the configuration side. Here is the FXO port list. So you can check this port is not there. See, here is some settings is there, RX scan and TX scan. By default it is absolutely fine. Sometime we have to change, but it's very rare because Yeastar have the configuration setting is as per our port system also, so there is no issues. So whenever you have whenever you just first came with the device, the IP address is 5.150 and the login is admin and password. After that you have to change your IP address. I have shown you from the systems you can change it. Here is a port group. Port group means you can grouping the whole port as you want. Like if I am going to add a port, see there is the option of the 4 port. Change the group name or put whatever you group you need, and what is the strategy will be there. You can check there. See there is a round robin is there, list used is there. That's mean round robin means select the next available port in the line. List used, which is the list used, that will be hit at first. So you can grouping this. So I have grouped them as a 4. Now go to the VoIP trunk. Here I have put my Ip-Pbx IP here to create a trunk, and there's a lot of options also there, IX there. And let me show you with the new trunk. See, there is a account settings is also there, like a username, password, and there is a one trunk is there. You can put the trunk, and here's the service provider. That's mean if you are using VCDial, GoToDial, or the Elastics or any software Ip-Pbx, you can put the provider name and the IP here. It will be allow always. Here's the trunk group. So what is the meaning of the trunk group? Basically, whatever you have, the create the trunk. So it will be as a created as a like a group. Here the SIP settings is there, general netting, and which codec you are going to allow. And now the next important point, see, whenever you are using this gateway, so the main point is you have to go to the FXO port list. You have to grouping the port if you want to group the port, or you can put the individually also, there is no issue. And the next thing, IP to port. What is the meaning of the IP to port? That's mean your Ip-Pbx or your dialer to the port, the gateway. That's mean. So what we have done it, I'm just going to show you. This is mean the IP to port means outgoing calls, means Elastics or VCDial. From Elastics or VCDial, if you are going to outgoing calls through your FXO, then you have to select this option, the routing option. So what I have done, this is the source trunk. So I have put a VCDial on behind that. And Elastics also there, but I have another VCDial is there which is using the outgoing calls, and this Elastics is using for only inbound calls. So what I have doing, this one trunk group VC, and what is the group? This is the group. So take the calls from the grouping. So if you were to select the algorithm like least used or the random, you can use it for the outbound call. Now I'm going to for inbound. So port to IP, that's mean port from port to your Ip-Pbx or the dialer. So what I have done it, see, so I have done this one from the port one. If any calls is hit, so go to the call destination is to my Elastics, and hotline it's like a DID basically. So what it generate 4321 for the DID, and the next one 12345 for the DID, port 2, and go to the Elastics. The same thing is here. So this is the all things you have to done it from to your gateway, nothing to extra things. And then after you have to go to the Elastics, create a trunk for the I have put in Yeastar, but actually I am using before the Yeastar. Now I am using Yeastar. Yeastar is also a good product. I will definitely make a video for Yeastar also. And where I have put, because I am using basically peer, means IP to IP trunk, there is no user is there. So you have to make this trunk and check the peers is okay or not. Then after I am going to the inbound, because I am using inbound route for this only. You can check the same settings to for all, and I have put the DID number 12345. I'm just going to show you which one is 12345. Yes, this one is 12345. So that's mean any calls from coming from the from the port, the DID number I have put 12345. It's come to the queue settings. Time condition I have made it for the office timing, because our office is not 24 hours running. So that is the reason I have put in the elastics that if anyone calls in between the office time, it will be heated to a queue. And if anyone out of office hour or off hour, anyone is trying to call you, just put a mail or the voicemail section, which is the pass to the to accordingly to the email address. So that this is the, because for don't miss any call from the any customer, so I can call back them tomorrow, or at night, whoever in free mode. So this is the my video for the Yeastar FXO Gateway. Obviously, an upcoming video there is a Star also, it might be coming, or the Grand Stream. So please stay tuned. If you need any help for the gateway section, please call us, or over the Skype. We have the Skype ID, or email us if you want the suggestion for the product. Obviously, we can help it. Yes, the Yeastar is a little bit higher price than the Star, but the product quality is so good and easy to configure, and the online chat and their support system is so good in Yeastar, as well as the Star also there. But yes, if I am looking for the if you are suggest me which product is good, so I always see in top mode Yeastar is the good, and the second is Star. Thank you for watching our video. Please comment us if you need anything, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.